Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by readying the cloth and mordant because color adherence depends on it. First, wash and starch the fabric to tighten the weave. Apply alum mordant evenly and let it dry. Once done, mix tamarind paste to control dye penetration and set up your dyes in shallow bowls. Prepare beeswax and heat it gently for resist work. Sketch your motif on paper, then transfer to fabric with light tracing or pricking, so you can begin the first strokes without hesitation. Now you move into the core technique, resist and layered dyeing. You apply heated beeswax precisely to outlines and areas you want to keep uncolored. This preserves highlights. Then paint your base colors, working from lighter to darker tones so pigments layer without muddying. Make sure to steam or remordant each layer to fix the color before the next application. This prevents bleeding. Take breaks to let wax set, and use fine brushes for motifs. This is where the detail makes. To finish, you must remove the wax and secure the colors. Iron the fabric between absorbent papers to lift the wax, then wash gently in lukewarm water with mild soap to remove residues. Once rinsed, air dry away from direct sun to prevent fading. If you see color bleeding or weak patches, reapply alum mordant to the affected area, re-dye selectively, and steam to set. This often rescues the piece. Finally, press and display. Your Kalamkari is ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.